guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today is the return of an oldie but a goldie. That's right, my Ipsy is back. So if you guys are not new here, then you know I canceled my Ipsy and BoxyCharm subscriptions several months ago, and I've been talking a lot lately about missing them and wanting them back, and just like having the content on my channel of them and all that fun stuff. So much so to the point where I think I'm annoying people because for Christmas this year, my mom actually renewed my Ipsy subscription. So I've got Ipsy back. It's gonna be kind of interesting because it's not the same subscription I had. Like, she created her own, so it's in her name and then she just gives it to me. So it's not customized to me at all. So I'm kind of very interested to see what happens, but here is Ipsy. I believe this is $15 a month now, which is why I wound up canceling, because it used to be 12. It started out 10 when I first subscribed, and then it raised to, oh, there's product outside of the bag. Then it raised to 12, and then when they were moving it up again, I was just like, no. So I did cancel, but I've been wanting it back very badly. So now we have it. There is a product outside of the bag, so we'll go ahead and talk about that first. It is this little guy. MOTD Dab and Tap Makeup Sponge. It's latex free, cruelty free, and vegan, which is awesome. I don't really use makeup sponges. I kind of want to feel this, but I also don't want to unseal it because I don't use them. Like, I have the 2 Lunar Beauty ones and I never use those. Like, I just have them to have Lunar Beauty stuff, I think, at this point. But those are the only 2 sponges I have, and they're the only 2 I need, really, because I'm just a makeup brush girl. So like, this is cool, and I know several people who will adore that, so we'll definitely give that to somebody else, but not for me. The bag this month is gorgeous. I love pastels and I love tie-dye, so the 2 together is awesome. It does have a yellow zipper, and it's got a smiley face on it. That's cute. There you go. Man, I've missed Ipsy a lot. Okay. So there's a card this month and year, January 2022. This month and year, make time for the things that make you smile. Soft pastel shadows, your fave podcast. I should not try to read without my glasses. DIY manis. When you invest in bliss, the world becomes a brighter place. So happy vibes is the month. Scan to get into this month's theme. That's interesting. That's new. 3 things to bring the happy. Glam Bag X coming in February. Get a free month of Ipsy. Refer 3 friends this month and get a month of Ipsy free. Share how you spend happiness by tagging Ipsy Happy Vibes. Giveaway, blah, blah, blah. Products in January. So here's all that if you want to actually read it. Okay, yeah, this is what I was thinking and kind of bummed about it, but the Happy Skin cheat sheet is what this is. It's kind of cool though, like, to have this. Like, it tells you like what the kind of product is, like what it is, why it's used, when it works. So like, for example, AHAs are used to gently exfoliate. It works immediately, so that's cool, but you don't get a card that tells you what the products are, which is another thing about Ipsy that I didn't like. Originally they did, and then they only put them in like the bigger boxes and not the little one, but you know, it's fine. So we're moving on. First product in here is this little something. This is Call Sheet and Production Eyeshadow Duo. Oh, it's by Belle and Argent. I don't know if I say that right, but I love this brand. This makes my favorite lipstick, which I'm actually wearing today. I do have a gloss on top, but they make my favorite lipstick formula. I've never tried their shadows. I didn't know they made shadows, to be honest, but yeah. I don't normally love duos or like small shadows like this, but I really like this brand, so I want to try the shadows out. Ooh, that feels really nice. Wow, so does that. That is super buttery and super nice. Okay, yeah, I'm excited. So we started out on like a bleh note, but immediately we're back up. I really like the way that felt, so I'm excited to try that out more. Next is more bubble wrap. This is not wanting to come out. Shades by Shan, San Francisco. Shan, you are very beautiful. Okay, I think it's Shan. It might be Sean. That looks cool with the ring light reflection. This is Latte. But like, what are you? I think it's a bronzer. It might be a single shadow, but I think it's a bronzer. Ooh, right there. Very orange. Doesn't smell like coffee, which is a good thing for me because I don't like coffee. Yeah, we'll try that out. Never heard of this brand. I probably should have made sure. Yeah, it is cruelty free. Very tiny right there. It says cruelty free. Okay. This is not though. This is Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. I do like this stuff, not gonna lie. First Aid Beauty used to be cruelty free and then they weren't. Pretty sure they're still not, but I could be wrong. Maybe they're back to cruelty free. I don't know. So I'll have to look into that more, but they are pretty good. Like, I like this moisturizer a lot. It's a nice moisturizer, but I don't know if they're cruelty free anymore. Speaking of, Physicians Formula. Does like anybody know if they're cruelty free now? Because like they weren't and then they were and then they weren't and now I don't know. So somebody let me know, because I think like their website says they are. Cruelty Free Kitty says gray area. There's like Ethical Elephant, I think. I'm pretty sure that's the one that said they are. I don't know. It's like different on every place. So I really wish they were because I miss my butter bronzer. Okay, last thing in here is super cute packaging. It's the Maldives Sun Kissed Glow Highlighter by IBY Beauty. Okay, that's exciting. I have a bronzer by IBY Beauty that I haven't tried yet. They are cruelty free. But I hear really good things about this brand. Oh, the packaging's cute. I like this. Very reminiscent of Becca packaging to me. Yeah, really cute though. Ooh, very pink. Really pretty. Let's see. Ooh, that feels nice. Ooh, I'm going to love that. That is a very, very me highlight color. Oh, I'm so excited about that. Yes. Okay, definitely gonna have to try this out in a video like ASAP because this is really pretty. Okay, let's do our quick recap for Ipsy. Haven't said that in a minute. So we got the highlighter by IBY Beauty. Very excited. Obviously, look at that color. Icy pink highlights are my favorite. The moisturizer, if it's cruelty free again, my hopes are not high, but if it is, I'm excited. If not, I'll have to give it to somebody else. The bronzer question mark is cool. I'm gonna look it up and make sure it is a bronzer, but I'm pretty sure it is. It looks pretty orange. I don't know that it's gonna work out great for me, but I will try it. The eyeshadows I'm pumped for. I might have to look into actually getting a palette from them if they have them. They might just do duos. I don't know, but I love this lipstick brand, so hopefully I like the eyeshadows too. What are we forgetting? Oh, the sponge. The sponge is whatever. Like, getting a sponge in a subscription is cool. It's not something I use, but that's it. So that's it for my first Ipsy back. If you guys are excited that Ipsy's back, let me know by liking this video, leaving a comment, all that fun stuff. And don't forget to subscribe before you go. I'll see you guys in the next video.